इसरो ने अपना 100वां मिशन लॉन्च कर दिया है।
More breaking news coming in from ISRO in yet another milestone. ISRO has launched its 100th
I am
mission.
extremely happy to announce from the spaceport of ISRO that the first launch of this year, 2025, has been successfully accomplished.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Stages are ignited. Top normal.
Is the 100th launch from our launch pads, which is very significant milestone of India. Our space program was conceived and started by visionary leader Professor Vikram Sarabhai and taken forward by generations of leaders.
India's space journey has reached a historic milestone. They say if our intentions are pure and we put in relentless effort, the universe finds a way to open doors to success. Interestingly, do you know? The West doesn't care about how much investment that India got, rather the West often keeps a keen eye on our technological advancements, an area where they truly view us as a formidable competitor. Now ISRO making a high sound in the sky again. ISRO is launched its 100th launch from Sriharikota, an event that's not just significant for India but for the global space community. This landmark launch features the GSLV F-15 rocket carrying the NVS-02 navigation satellite. Join me as we explore the past, present, and future of ISRO's journey and why this mission is so special. Hi everyone. Today, we are celebrating ISRO's 100th launch from Sriharikota. Yes, you heard that right, a full 100 launches since its first experimental flight in 1979. Let's rewind the clock a bit and see how it all started. The journey began with the Satellite Launch Vehicle 3 or SLV-3E10, which carried the Rohini technology payload. Though it was only partially successful, it laid the foundation for ISRO's incredible future. In 1993, it launched PSLV. It is a workhorse rocket which launches satellites for India and the world. Next step was GSLV in 2001 that has an advanced capabilities with a focus on heavier payloads. Do you remember in 2008 ISRO experimented Chandrayaan-1, which is the India's first mission to the moon. Then in 2013 Mars Orbiter mission, India's proud entry into interplanetary exploration. In 2023 Chandrayaan-3, first successful moon landing near the lunar south pole. In 2024 successful docking experiment. And now, in 2025, ISRO stands as a global leader, making its mark with this milestone 100th launch. Isn't that inspiring? Let's talk about the rocket itself, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle F-15, or GSLV F-15. This is a cutting-edge rocket equipped with an indigenous cryogenic stage, which helps it carry heavier payloads to higher orbits. But what makes this launch even more exciting is its payload, the NVS-02 satellite. The NVS-02 is part of Navaisi, India's very own regional navigation satellite system. This satellite will be placed into a geosynchronous transfer orbit, ensuring India's navigation capabilities remain robust and independent. What is Navaisi? That means it is an Indian version of GPS, and let's look at its coverage and positioning accuracy. NAVIC's coverage area is India and up to 1,500 kilometers beyond. Positioning accuracy better than 20 meters and timing accuracy better than 40 nanoseconds. Navaisi offers two types of services. 1. Standard Positioning Service, SPS. This is free and available to everyone. Just like Google Maps, which is perfect for civilian use like navigation apps, transport, and agriculture. Second is Restricted Service, rupees, a secure and encrypted service meant for authorized users like the military and critical sectors. NAVIC-enabled devices being used in industries like farming, logistics, and disaster management. From providing accurate navigation for fishermen to aiding in disaster response, Navaisi is a game-changer for India and its neighbors. The GSLV F-15 will lift off from the second launch pad at Sriharikota, also known as the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The launch is scheduled for 29 January 2025 at 6:23 a.m. sharp. This launch isn't just about reaching the 100th number. It's about celebrating India's self-reliance in space technology. From building indigenous cryogenic engines to developing a homegrown navigation system like Navaisi, ISRO has always prioritized innovation and excellence. This is also the first launch of 2025 and marks a new era under ISRO's new chairman, V. Narayanan. What a way to start the year! Really wow! Every true Indian should be proud of our ISRO and scientists who work for the betterment of our nation and who make India shine at the global platforms. You might know that ISRO isn't just about launching rockets, it's about creating opportunities for India and the world. Over the years, ISRO has launched satellites for many countries, made groundbreaking discoveries, and inspired generations. Looking ahead, we have ambitious plans, including the Gaganyaan mission, which aims to send Indian astronauts to space. This 100th launch is a reminder of how far we've come and how much farther we are going. That's it for today's deep dive into ISRO's historic 100th launch. This is more than just a milestone, it's a testament to India's vision, dedication, and innovation in space exploration. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on space and science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.